This is what model skin is supposed to look like. But does it actually translate in real life? On brown skin? Let's see. So the first step has nothing to do with makeup, and this look only works if your skin looks hydrated. So we will work in layers. We will do a double hydration method. I'm using this Anua serum and following it up with thick Nivea moisturizer for that properly hydrated skin before makeup. After skin prep comes the base, and we all know that model skin is not full coverage. It's light, even, and still looks like real skin. Now I'm using the medium coverage lightweight foundation to even out my skin tone. Next, concealer. I'm applying a brightening shade that's just a touch lighter than my skin tone to the high points under my eyes, down the center of my nose, and in the middle of the forehead to create that lift and sculpt. The key here is to use thin layers. Now I am taking a cream contour stick, and I have specifically chosen warm terracotta shade instead of cool grey to avoid creating any ashy or muddy looking shadows. I am placing it just under the cheekbones, on my temples, along the jawline, and down the sides of my nose for that contoured looking face. Now, to set my concealer in place, I'm using this Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cherry Blossom. And to set my cream contour, I'm using this powdered bronzer from Gaia. Moving on to the eyebrows, models have very defined and structured eyebrows, so I'm filling these sparse areas in my brows and brushing it off with a spoolie for that structured and soft looking brows. Blush placement is what changes the whole face, so I'm using this Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy and applying it just on my cheekbones, following it up with this rosy brown shade for that sunburnt effect. This one step can make or break the entire look. I'm keeping the eyes very minimal, just a soft brown to add a little depth, nothing sharp, nothing heavy, just diffused. You should barely see it, but it changes everything. Tying the whole look with curling my lashes and finishing it off with a good coat of mascara. For the lips, I'm keeping it soft and natural. I'm lining my lip with a brown lip liner and filling a tint in the center of my lips and finishing it off with a clear lip gloss. Okay, so this is the final look. In natural light, it looks smooth and glowy, but still like real skin. So this is my version of model skin. Soft, glowy, and still real. But I want to know, does this actually look like model skin to you? Tell me in the comments. Till then, bye bye.